Are you still manually typing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday all the way down your spreadsheet like it is the year 2005? In the next 60 seconds, I am going to show you the every day millions of Excel users waste huge chunks of time manually typing out sequences like dates, months, numbers, or copying the same formula row by row. Here is your first trick. Type January in cell A1, then simply grab the tiny green square at the bottom right corner of that cell, which is called the fill handle, and drag it down to A12. Now, here is the most powerful fill handle trick of all, the double-click shortcut that almost nobody knows about. Instead of dragging your fill handle all the way down 500 rows, look at this. What used to take 5 minutes of dragging and scrolling now happens in a single double-click, filling an entire column of 500 rows with the correct formula You just mastered the fill handle, from auto-filling date and number sequences to double-clicking to fill an entire column of formulas in one shot.